If you want to delete photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, open the Gallery app, and then over here you can open any photo or video that you want to delete. Once you open it, then you should be able to find this trash icon at the bottom over here, so you can just tap here and confirm that you want to move the trash. And of course, if you want to, you can select multiple files at once, so you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the first file that you want to select, and once it is selected you can keep tapping on more photos or videos that you want to remove, and then once you select everything you can tap on the delete here at the bottom and confirm that all of these selected files should be sent to trash. So of course they are not permanently deleted yet, they are sent to trash instead, and they are going to stay in the trash for 30 days, and you have the option to recover them or permanently remove them. And if you don't do anything with them within 30 days, they will be removed, or actually after 30 days. Now, if you want to find trash, you can tap on menu over here at the bottom, and then here we have the trash option, and then you can decide what you want to do with them. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.